In 60 seconds, I'll try to explain what if. What if is an expression that we use when we are thinking about something which may not happen. For example, what if I don't finish this video in 60 seconds? That is a possibility. Well, we will finish it in 60 seconds. At least I hope so. So use these expressions in moments where you're not sure if something is going to happen or not. Don't use it all the time, otherwise people will think that you are pessimistic. So, if you found this video useful, click on the link above to watch a video on the difference between must and have to. Goodbye for now. I'm out.